Hey, what's up? It's Sean Rampersaud here with TMG, the Mortgage Group. Today I'm coming to you with another great mortgage video, specifically on how to get a lower mortgage interest rate. This is a question that a lot of people have, and I'm going to answer those questions for you today. First and foremost, step number one will be to contact a high volume mortgage broker, not a bank. The reason you want to call a high volume mortgage broker versus a bank is because a high volume mortgage broker will be sought after by the banks. They give these brokers larger discounts and it'll be cheaper than you actually walking into the bank. So that's the first thing. I'm one of the highest volume mortgage brokers in Canada, and I will be able to get you the absolute lowest rate, okay? I'll also be able to get you the right product that fits your specific needs, and that's one of the big things that we look for. I did another video on that, so please take a look at some of the other mortgage videos. It could save you a ton of money. Step number two is fill out our application. We have an online application to help make this process fast and easy. I have another video again on specifically how to fill out the mortgage application, what all is involved. It's super easy. It takes 5 minutes. Step number three is send in the requested documents. After that, the mortgage broker will pre-approve you to the maximum purchase price based on your income and your debts. Step number five is ask the mortgage broker about any promotional rates. Some banks will have rates that are only good for 30 days, that type of thing. So it depends on how fast your deal is going to close. I have a step-by-step guide on how to get a mortgage and buy real estate on the channel. So please like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me create more content for you. So step number six, our strategy for getting the best rate will be first to get you a firm pre-approval, okay? Many lenders will tell you you're pre-approved and then not have a written rate hold period. That's not the best way to get the lowest rate. Your bank as well may also write you a pre-approval letter. They don't underwrite the deals when you go into the bank. They don't look at documentation. They don't call employers. They don't pull credit. So it's not a real pre-approval. If you really want to shop with confidence, you'll call myself or my team. My number is 780-278-4847, and I'll get you a real pre-approval. Step number seven, only get pre-approved with lenders that will lock you in at a lower rate during the period between your pre-approval and your date of possession, okay? I have one lender that will allow you to do this as many times as you need to. So I want to just create an example for you so you understand what I actually mean by that. I want to use an example. So January 1st, you get pre-approved at a rate of 5%. With a 90-day rate hold period. So let's say that's on, the 90-day rate hold period ends on April 1st, okay? On February 1st, there's a reduction to 4%. So your broker, like me, will then lock you in at the 4% rate for the next 90 days after February 1st. Okay, so we started in January 1st, but in February 1st, there was a rate reduction. So then I put you on another rate reduction after February 1st. So you have another 90 days, okay? Then, let's say on April 30th, there's another reduction to 3%. So then I'll lock you in on that date, April 30th, at 3% for another 90-day rate hold. This will take you to July 30th at 3%. So this is one of my personal strategies, and why tons of people like dealing with us is because I use these strategies to save you money along the way. There's not a lot of brokers that will actually do that, and the banks definitely don't do that. So how else can I get a lower rate? So that's my very, very popular strategy, and the reason a lot of people like to deal with us is because I do that, but there is other ways to get lower rates. So one type of mortgage is called a stripped down mortgage or no frills, there's two names for it. So basically, it's usually regularly lower than a standard mortgage rate-wise. However, this type of mortgage can have higher penalties and less flexibility. If you have questions about that, please call me anytime. Some companies advertise these no-frill mortgages online just for clickbait to get people to call them. They're not good for everyone. They could be dangerous for a lot of people. Massive, massive penalties. So call me if you have questions about that so I can explain it to you in more detail. Sometimes a variable rate can be lower than the fixed. If you talk the last 20 years, the variable rates have been lower than the fixed rates. So if you know rates are high, and they're most likely going to go down, you can go with a variable rate to play the market. This is for people with like mid-risk tolerance, okay? And another one is the Manulife One mortgage. So basically, they're going to take care of all of your credit. So all of your credit cards and all of your lines of credit and car payments and everything under one roof and lower interest on all of them. If you want me to run a scenario for you to see if you can save money using the Manulife One, please give me a call anytime. I want to thank you very much for watching the video. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you do have any more mortgage questions, call me.